Batch number confirmed. Origin matches specifications.
Purity levels are optimal, ready for transfer.
The dull gray titanium ingot is diverted toward the forging furnaces. Process A. Simultaneously, the lightweight
In the verification bay, the CMM meticulously scans the Senna chassis, ensuring every mounting point.
A spectral analyzer beam sweeps the surface. The analysis confirms the absence of impurities.
Specialized high-temperature metallic composite gaskets, essential for creating a perfect leak-free seal, are individually inspected.
Titanium slugs are fed into a specialized tube drawing machine, which stretches and reforms the metal into thin-walled, high-strength.
The newly drawn titanium tubes are loaded into a sophisticated CNC bender, where precise, tight radius
mounts secure.
Thermal barriers confirmed. Initiating process B.
The titanium exhaust system undergoes a thermal stretchal stress relief cycle in a specialized oven. The diamond-tipped cutter shaves off microscopic layers, achieving a perfectly flat, mirror-like sealing surface.
Precise, targeted heat is applied, creating the iconic iridescent blue, purple, or gold.
The specialized titanium exhaust is meticulously wrapped in protective foam. Process B then proceeds.
Alignment check on process B line, all green.
Confirmed. Proceed with the drop sequence.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the carbon fiber.
Clear on the left. It's seated.
Check the gap at the rear mount.
It's within tolerance. Locking the fixture now.
The steering column and rack assembly are integrated, connecting directly to the electronic power steering unit. This visual integration step in Process B brings the McLaren Senna closer to its finished form, ensuring perfect illumination. The high-velocity air demonstrates the aerodynamic forces at play. The wool tufts confirm optimal airflow.
Brake adjustment required on the rear right.
Applying torque now. Check the readout.
Reading stabilizing within tolerance. Confirmed.
Ramp alignment looks good.
Double check the clearance on the right side before we roll it out.
Truly magnificent, and this must be the new titanium exhaust system.
Yes, this is the final version of Product B. The craftsmanship is flawless.
Here is the key to your new McLaren Senna. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much. It's incredible.
The McLaren Senna, or Product B, showcases unparalleled precision handling. The rigid carbon...
The iridescent blue and purple tips demonstrate the intense thermal cycling these materials are engineered to withstand.